The most important thing about this ready-to-wear business is sales. So there's no how I'm going to talk about this whole business and not talk about sales. Sales is very important. Sales and income. But I want you to understand this. Sales is a direct result of your consistency in marketing and product exposure to potential customers and your target niche. But don't worry, I'm going to share you the strategy on how to make sales and how to continuously make sales. You see, in the workshop, I'm going to teach you how to get your niche. Once you get your niche and you niche down, I'm going to give you a good strategy that I have used that have gotten me good sales. A good strategy that I've used that is still getting me sales. How to make money, how to use social media to get sales, how to penetrate into people to make money. All this process I'm going to teach you, because this is the aspect in which you really need somebody to guide you, and somebody that have done it before. And that is why I'm here. The sales is the most important thing. It's not about doing. There are good tailors that are very good, but understanding how to grow, how to penetrate into people, how to make sales, how to do social media networking, all of these things are things that I'm going to teach you. So the workshop is going to be a full one where we are going to go through all of this process together. You're going to get your niche. I'm going to give you all of the measurements in which you need in order to get into this business. I'm going to show you how to utilize your social media and all of these things. So a link will be under this particular audio right now below. So get yourself enrolled. Let's continue this class there, and I'm going to show you all of the things in which you need to get into this business. The knowledge is what you need. Sale is the most important aspect of this thing, and I've done it. I've tried it, so I do believe that I can give you a good information. So go ahead and follow the link below. The message, I'll be posting all of the things you needed under this particular video. So get enrolled and let's continue in the workshop.